Hey boys and girls, it is Metal Bum, and I have a special unboxing. So first off, I just want to say there's this thing about like these this community of silver and gold collectors and stackers, and for whatever reason they're obsessed with like dolphins and some weird things. But anyways, long story short, is they are trying to get us serious stackers and us investors to do such things as fondle and lick their own silver. Long story short, guys, I'm completely against this sort of thing. I just wanted to have these unboxing videos and really just talk about seriousness, which is like, portfolios and how we're gonna play these ratios and silver and gold. And there's these guys who are, I don't know what they're what their agenda is really, but they're trying to get us to basically molest our silver and gold. But I'm gonna show a little more of that near the end of the video. One of these guys is, this is kind of a shout out, but also like a call out to how sick these people are. One of them is STP Prepper. He's a South Texas prepper, and unbox this right here. What do you think this is, guys? Yeah, but I just wanted to kind of call these guys out, and put them on the spot. I'll show you guys near the end. One guy's STP South Texas prepper, and the other individual is who started this is Novus stacker. And I just want to say, be careful about these guys. They are on YouTube. You can look up their videos. You could look them up. They are out there. There's a lot of these people in this community, but I'm just trying to stack my silver and gold. And later I'm going to be talking about videos on goals, what you should do, how you should diversify. But what you should not do is be doing things like just making a joke out of this, like this is not a game. This is our personal finance, our personal journeys. We're trying to share our financial experiences with each other. I just don't appreciate that sort of thing where they are just trying to make a mockery of it. But anyways, this guy's right here is sorry, I'm just a little pissed off because I'm trying to play the trends. I'm trying to see what drives the price, supply, demand psychology, the Great Recession, the gold price, the gold to silver ratio, and things like that. And then these guys, they come along and they're just making a mockery of this whole thing. So it just kind of is just, it's really just, I don't know. But anyways, guys, this is right here, 10 ounces. And this is real. It looks a little weird because of the way it's displayed. This is 10 ounces of beautiful gold, okay? And this should be treasured because this is what central banks, there's huge mines that just they mine this. People die mining this stuff, and they have for years, and countries have gone to war over this. Central bank, people literally would go to war over gold. Check out my videos on Aztecs, and seriously is why the Mesoamericans, the Aztec people died, was because the Spaniards, and I'm talking about Cortez and many other colonists, they wanted to, they really just wanted gold is what they wanted. So what they did was they came and they conquered the Aztec people. And what did they want? They wanted oro. Oro is gold. But anyways, I'm just gonna commemorate that with these 10 ounces of gold. And this is here, I have this for psychology, for supply demand, for just playing the gold silver ratio. But I did realize STP Prepper, it all shows, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. But with your portfolio, you have to keep ratios of gold, silver, and whatever you have in your portfolio. I was buying too much silver, so I did listen to this guy STP when he was serious, when I did respect the man. But Now frankly, I'm a little disturbed and I don't know, disgusted by him, Novus, Stacker, and quite a few others in this. I don't know if you want to call it a community or a cult. There's many in this cult, from Baggins, International Stacker, Stacking Nerd. There's just so many of these people in this cult, but that's kind of a shout out, but also just to call these people out. They do have YouTube channels, so they are out there. But yeah, this is serious, guys. This is people's finances. There was a great recession, and I just wanted to go over this real quick. So playing trends, what drives the price? It's supply, demand is the main things. Mining, central banks, demand, ETFs, physical spider funds. Supposedly these ETFs have like 10,000 ounces of gold, but people always say hold your gold, and you want to have a certain amount of physical. But I'm also a little different, like I think all of us who are in the silver stacking community are different thinkers because we like to hold our money and investments. But also, even with that, I think that you should have some in ETFs and some in stocks and things like that. I'll get into the portfolio later. But yeah, I just kind of was thinking about this. I was thinking about what happened in the last recession, which was the Great Recession in 2008. Gold initially followed the markets. It went from 1,000 to 800, so it went down 20%. But then, as like they were pumping the economy and there was a lot of uncertainty, FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, 2009 to 2011, gold went up 100% from 800 low to $1,900 an ounce. Then, over the course of 8 years, as there was a recovery, sentiment, the psychology got, there was more, the psychology of the markets was more solid, and then it went down to 1,300, which is where we're at right now. I have a feeling that it will do the same thing in the next recession. It'll first drop very little, like it could go from 1,300 to 1,000, and that's when I'm going to be trying to buy. And I am buying right now, physical, but then it's gonna spike up again, just like it did before, because they're going to start printing money and people are going to get fearful. In 2020, there's going to be an election, and then that could lead to a lot of uncertainty, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But anyways, guys, yeah, so just keep your portfolio diversified, silver, gold, and I think of your entire investments, you should have between 1% and 25% of your entire portfolio in silver and gold. That's why I'm getting this. But anyways, guys, I want to see if I can open this thing up, because I don't like that it's in this case, Like, why is it in this case? And, it's like, oops, one of these coins just like flew. So these coins are almost in BU condition. Yeah, but anyways, I just want to call these guys out once more. These sick freaks who are just like, they're like obsessed with silver and gold, but they're just sickos. They literally, I think they're like licking coins or something like that. So anyways, guys, I just want to like wrap this up and say, like, this is something that should be treasured. And this is a cute little, I like how I call these coins cute, but this is something that should be treasured and not taken for granted. This is gold, this is wealth stored, and this is a 2008 gold coin. But anyways, I think like licking things like this would just be completely sick. So anyways, guys, Metal Bum out. It is a really, really beautiful coin. And gold is just a retainer of wealth and value for 2,000 years plus. People have gone to war over this. They've died for these things and killed for it. It's just so beautiful and lustrous and my precious. Yeah, it's just a beautiful thing. The luster, the gold, the malleability, the weight, density. It's just I don't think anybody's here. Tastes like chicken. Hey guys, so this was part of Novus Stacker's coin licking challenge, and STP, South Texas Prepper STP, called me out on it. I hope I've achieved it, and I'm just going to pass the torch on to Salivate Metal. Yes, Salivate Metal, you are next on the coin licking challenge. I'm pretty sure Salivate will have no problem licking and salivating all over his coins because that guy's a sicko as well. All right, guys. Metal Bum out.